Hey, thanks for joining me today. So, you run a restaurant, right? I'm curious, what's one area of your day-to-day operations that you feel could be more efficient or maybe automated?
Yeah, that's right. There are definitely a few things I wish I could automate. For instance, running promotions and managing limited time offers. It's always a lot of back and forth to make sure we're creating the right sense of urgency for customers. I feel like if there was a smoother way to manage it, it would save me so much time.
Oh, absolutely. The concept of scarcity and urgency in marketing is huge, especially in the restaurant industry. You can create so much buzz around a limited time offer or special. The beauty of automation here is that it can handle much of the repetitive work for you, like posting on social media or updating your menus. You can set up automated posts that remind customers about the offer, and even add countdown timers to boost that sense of urgency.
Right, and that's the thing. Managing it all manually takes so much time. I'm always trying to come up with new ideas, track what's working, and update everything across platforms. It'd be great if something could just handle that automatically, especially with our social media campaigns.
Definitely. Think about automating the content creation around your scarcity-driven offers. You can schedule posts in advance to highlight your limited time promotions, pictures, descriptions, even stories that show a countdown. Plus, using AI, you could even personalize those promotions for different customer segments. So instead of manually crafting messages every time, it can run on autopilot and continuously push content that encourages action.
That sounds amazing. But wouldn't that be expensive to implement? I know a lot of SaaS providers charge hefty monthly fees for things like this.
That's the beauty of it. When you design and implement these automations, the cost is minimal. You don't need to rely on those expensive SaaS platforms that have recurring fees. Once you've set up the system, it's nearly free to run. The real cost savings come in the time you save from not having to manually post, track, or create everything. You could save hours, easily, maybe even 10-115 hours a week that you can reallocate to other parts of your business.
Wait, 10-15 hours a week? That's a game changer. I could use that time for, like, customer service or refining our menu.
Exactly. And what's even better is that automation isn't just about saving time. It's also about creating a more consistent, scalable marketing strategy. The system can be running in the background, churning out posts, emails, and updates without you lifting a finger. As long as it's set up well, your promotions will keep running, even when you're not around. That's where the value really comes in.
So you're saying this could be set up once, and I just let it run without having to keep doing it all manually? What's the initial setup like?
It's really about designing the strategy first, understanding what promotions or offers you want to push and when, then creating content for those. From there, you just plug it into an automation tool and schedule it. The tools themselves are incredibly easy to use, even if you don't have much tech experience. I'd say it's more about planning up front, but once you've got the system in place, you're golden.
Okay, now I'm seriously intrigued. So, once I automate the posts, what about tracking the results? How does that work?
That's the best part. You can automate the tracking too. Most automation platforms allow you to set up metrics so you can see how your posts are performing, like engagement rates, sales during certain time frames, or even how many people are clicking on your offers. You can get real-time data without doing the manual work. It's all about refining as you go, based on what's working.
That's pretty cool. And you're saying that after all the setup, I wouldn't be paying those hefty monthly fees. That sounds like a huge saving, especially for a small business.
Exactly. No more monthly SaaS fees. The cost of automation drops significantly once it's running, so you're saving not only on time, but on money. The ROI is huge, especially when you start seeing increased sales from those limited time promotions with built-in urgency.
I love this idea. I think the combination of automation and creating a sense of scarcity could really boost our marketing game. I'm definitely going to explore this more.
I'm glad to hear that. Once you get started, you'll probably wonder how you ever did without it. The best part is that these tools just keep getting smarter, and they'll only get better at helping you create viral, urgent campaigns with minimal effort on your part.
Sounds like I've got a new project on my hands. Thanks for the insight. I'll be looking into some of these tools.
No problem. Happy to help. Good luck, and I'm sure your promotions will be a hit.